bagels. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our knife. We're going to take our cream cheese. Give it yours. Good job. Spread it all around your bagel.
Good job. Turn it over. Turn it over.
Yes. Go all around. See?
Good job. Bagel.
All over the bagel?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
look, see how mine is? I covered mine. Yep.
Good job, buddy.
Look at me.
See how I got mine? Yeah.
But some of it is coming
I covered the
off.
whole
It's
bagel.
okay, just keep spreading.
Good job.
Mine is almost filled up.
Pick it up right here.
Good.
Come over here and get some.
All right.
And spread it. Yeah.
Look at something. Mine is almost
Oh man, that is good, Nathan.
Look at
Good
mine.
job. Oh, good job.
Look at
Next,
Good
after we
job.
spread the cream cheese on, we all have fruit on our plates, okay? So we're gonna take our fruit. We have blackberries and we have strawberries. You can put it back on your plate, and we're gonna take our fruit. See? We're gonna put it on our bagel.
Two, three, four. Look at that. Wow, can you do that? Show me. One.
It's not, mine is almost.
Look, guys. See?
Two.
Yes.
Three.
See?
Four. You want to put some right here? Way to go, buddy. Yeah, good job. Baby said, good job. Three.
All right, guys. Are we ready to taste it?
Yeah!
All right.
Can we take our mask off now?
You can pull it down. Pull it down so we can taste it. Ready?
Six. Good job. Good job.
Take it up.
Good job. Good job. Guys.
Yummy.
Good job.
It's tasty and it's good for you.